Tasya heturvidya. Not understanding his purpose is ignorance. Not understanding this relationship of Brahma and Maya, that is universe, is ignorance. Hriday Chitta Samvit, restrain or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on heart gives the knowledge of mind. Sattva Purushayo, Ratyanta Sankirnayo, Pratyaya Vishesho Bhogaha, Pararthanya Swartha Sanyamat Purushadnya Nama. The mind and perceiver are two different. Mind is hardware and the perceiver being software, both independently cannot perceive and endure pain or pleasure. Sattva-raja-tama are the properties of the duo. When mind and perceiver are in the process of perception, perceiver is the owner of mind and the operator. Mind is machine. The knowledge about these two appear to be undivided, but the properties Sattva, Raja, Tama deliver the endurance as obligatory for perceiver. The properties create no result of either their own, but they perform as obligatory for perceiver. Here mind is machine and the perceiver is driving the property Sattva at the machine for perception. Perceiver is in coordination with mind, develops sentient that perceives pain and pleasure. Whatever is perceived is stored in memory, because without memory of perception there will be no endurance. The Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on obligatory bond of perceiver at property Sattva, Raja, Tama gives the knowledge of perceiver, Drashta, Purush. ततः प्रतिभ श्रावण वेदना दर्शास्वाद वार्ता जायन्ते. Restraint or Sanyam, Dharana Dhyan Samadhi on this bond of the perceiver gives higher sensitivity at all five sense organs. Number one, becomes genius, listening becomes sharp, eyesight becomes powerful, smelling ability increases, touch becomes more sensitive, taste becomes more wide and deep. ते समाधाव उपसर्गा युत्थाने सिद्धया. All above six superpowers obtained by mind are interruption or hindrance for absorption or samadhi. The student on achieving the superiority in senses feels glorified and gives up further learning. The student therefore should not stop his further learning. बंध कारण शैथिल्यात् प्रचार संवेदनाश्च चित्तस्य परशरीरावेशः. The mind is bound by various inbuilt transactions on deeds and properties do not allow any freedom. But when all the bonds are released due to the non-involvement of self, chitta or mind is able to travel to another body. I am of the opinion that hypnosis must have been indicated through this sutra, because through hypnosis you can take the control of somebody else's body through own mind. This is psychological.